But first, here tonight at 10, more than 160 Americans in at least 36 states have now been investigated for possible coronavirus.
The CDC is testing those cases, including 2 from the southern Miami Valley. American evacuees from China are now being evaluated for the disease as the death toll rises in Asia. At least 170 people are dead and nearly 8,000 are sick with coronavirus in China. As of now, the U.S. only has 5 confirmed cases, and with 2 of those possible cases at Miami University, some local hospitals are trying to catch any cases of coronavirus early.
And 2 News reporter Kristen Eskow shows us how the new screening process works.
Mark and Brooke, officials with Premier Health say they have started requiring patients coming into all of their hospitals to complete a questionnaire which asks about symptoms and travel history. Tonight I spoke with some travelers at the airport who are trying to keep themselves protected. As people travel in and out of Dayton International Airport, there are mixed opinions about the possibility of coronavirus.
It's just like a little scare thing. They probably will take care of it.
I'm going to make sure I take it more seriously than what I did before.
Several people tell me they've seen travelers with masks on. I spotted 2 of them after they returned from a business trip to Albany, New York, where they bought masks at a Home Depot.
We went to a pharmacy to get masks. They were sold out. They called all their local pharmacy stores. They were sold out.
Although no cases have been confirmed in Ohio, Premier Health officials say they have started an advanced screening process at all of their hospitals. They say staff members are asking patients about their symptoms and travel history.
That physician or other healthcare provider can take the appropriate steps to notifying our infection control, placing the patient on appropriate isolation, and if needed, take further steps to make sure that we screen that person for the presence of the virus.
Dr. Colon says although they're taking precautions for coronavirus, the flu remains a much bigger threat to Americans.
We actually saw some increased activity of influenza in the United States again in the past week. So it's still very much out there, and that's still the most important thing to protect yourself from.
Meanwhile, Kettering Health Network says its staff members are asking patients if they've traveled out of the country within the past 30 days. Officials with the Dayton International Airport tell me they've reminded their workers to wash their hands and practice other measures to prevent the spread of germs. Kristen Eskow, 2 News, working for you.
And for more on the coronavirus, including one local family story regarding why they left China to avoid the outbreak, you can see that by downloading the free 2 News app.